Mokai say me bro mo Kevin tell a video na all send it threat to Jonas Àngry Young Don our chiro mu say before 2026 US FIFA World Cup no na or the Young Don any Jonas akọ Ghana no me catch us say twen for part 2 which will be a response from Jonas, any part 3 which will be a response from Young Don. When it comes to Jonas no reply to Kevin Taylor at this moment. Young Don also a reply aba na no reply in fact court nsensim na na mo chirim say Kevin Taylor anye stadia asem no ebekwa kwotwa court aha Penyah block media me say any day mo oba like video no na roba obo subscribe button so ba click notification icon for latest update na ba kire wadwen da ma me e wo comment me try say oba so a no ahye video ma unia so enya bi ahwe obi be ya say eye da kra na ebeduru ha ni nyina na say Kevin Taylor ene okache famensa omo beef omo banta omo beef ni mu ana Jonas ebeka say no mumienu no obi a big platform. This is not a time I was more creative division. Monka muhumomu. Na yenya yen support to man konkon Ghana the sitting president. Yen supporting agenda say the police e good yen support it. E bada yen lambast at him yen bash at him. Ene mu no okeka na dwetiro mumienu nya say hu hia ade omu ye nyansa bia no omu forget it. Emu ana Kevin Taylor ebe send a warning and message to Jonas Àngry Young Don. Say blogger bia owo USA no odi nko asema obemi adina kofie.
Mimi say no. On send for coming some, and I keep telling people say, man, so you're a blogger now you be all Europe or Asia, how come I say now all US, now you're a blogger, now you just say, oh they mean they be show me do coffee, especially a blogger now unye legal. On say me because for some reason I'm out for me blogging in America me come WhatsApp because me need time to spend my time on people who are not legal. Intimate. Se me charge ya e America ha o ye blogger e okrum ha na eno na odididi o de ball bra wo de nya eye kakran de cover stick to that. So I just be change the media baba o blogging mu am do be kofie me I will not come and sit here and fight you. Me I don't have time because I only deal with people who are educated, can write their name and understand what is happening. Intimino so a blogger America na den I will not sit here, I will not fight anybody on my especially America. Now we illegitimate a person ha. We illegal do be kofie.
Because of this, Àngry Young Don ever reply bege Canadian chileno. Jonas as ever reply Canadian chileno. Enwachi ana enwa. Kevin Taylor ever TikTok live streaming. Eno sabe si usu dua say enkosi 2026 yenko US FIFA World Cup. Na or the Young Don any Jonas aba Ghana.
God day we will all come back to America. But before Black Stars come to America, we will make sure some will go home. It's very, very important. What we are doing there, we are not going to say it. But before Black Stars come 2026, no, some will go home. Send a Black Stars for the bar. Supporters in papa. But phone a woman, so you people getting ready to come to a year America World Cup no get ready. Papa na mo nyina momra, mo ba mamonko. But omo hana enya no. Stray dogs ni nyina be make sure say answer na World Cup ni no nyina ye change yom. It is substitution baby. Your plan dey ye adwuma. Yanka plan ho asem but plan ye adwuma. Aha. Plan into ntumi na plan into obeto video 50,000. Plan into ntumi na pressure be da so. Sa na plan it here. All right, now mama yanfa dwuma de ni so I want to put this out.
This particular threat now. Every am blog video na is a Jonas no reply to Kevin Taylor. Now no Young Don's a reply aba. Na Young Don chirimu say Kevin Taylor am fasted there. In fact, asem no ebekwa kwotwa court.
Yes, Mahama akura no obi anse punishment ni ma no. Mahama akura no a ye friend Kevin Taylor no. Wasia upo bi ni na jimi a ewiase nyina hene na odi megimi on. Wasia jimi. Obaso anu ahye no kwani tantam upo bi ni na jimi a ewiase nyina hene udi megimi yesi magya wo hu fi wate kwasia ensi New York awo mabande wa firi New York a wo Kevin Taylor abu asehwan ensi New York a mabande wa firi New York. I'm telling you the reality. So be deport me si New York an ye hwede besie kwasia mpanyi jimi fi New York am nkura nkwane wa wo and I'm the boss of New York, man. To be Jimmy. Now, but young Cassia so akwanma me deport na e wa on risk you cause MPP for na NDC for na omdi wa kina wo ye me deport no mo an feel me mo an da bia no mo do me obi feel so that means sisi wo obi feel that means sisi ba bia wo NDC for na omdi wa kina wo se omo ye nkrofo no omo an feel me ada bia mo omehe me no omo ka ho omo feel me stay bia bi na wo do kwasia no Jimmy ebe gina ka say meme ya deport na omo no omo nya omo de bibia hwe utirimaku also who say New York na wiase nyina Àngry Young Don dia tu be gina be trete na dia wo ye do you know metimasi wo court dia onim za unim say Jimmy na wu Jimmy no metimasi wo court dia sa wo so de meba Ghana fa me ko Ghana me ye dia na mayo ana me ba kuroma me nkoto obi amuna me nkokum nipa me nyawre tu aso me fie me nya nyankoma de me nya nkwase asem ya me mfrodo me nya skama enti ada na wu Jimmy fu atesa wo ya wo ya na metreto do you know I can see in court adi kuranti also be mami adi kuranti I will say wo de bamba nwura mo na de ma ban nwura mo am ya he but of course a man omunya ntokwa omutwimu tan na odinam court wa na odinam court wa be ma de be ma nwene sa so nyansa na me ka kire no be ma nwene sa man adwene sa enti so Jimmy na me no me what time bibia wo wiase enti so ye kwasia na wonya wanye kom na NDC fo ne mo sika na funfun a me yen kwasia asem ha NDC fo ne mo sika na funfun a me yen kwasia asem ha because wiase nyina Àngry no I control the city of course some man about side man I mean Sabroni o ma so anu ahia no kwa ne tantam obi sira yes what Jimmy anytime obi say anytime fena matela so some e ba na omo de omo use this car na omo de ton ice cream ni ade yeah man omo nya sema court nsem ni ade o kwasi aka Jimmy a wo Jimmy kwa metima si court o abo ka be wuniska kwasi anti wuniska kwa den ma je free o I mean so bi aso abaso be tie ne kra enka say straight up ha nya kwan o ba ma fa ja me ba me ba nyansa ye adwuma ka sha papa ne guma kino me ba ye hache abifo ne area hache I mean sha ha say su ye school omo be di agoro wa ha school I mean sha be ni school omo nko fotim so be pack omo ka so wan sign ade enti san kwasia no onye kom NDC form ne kure kwasia no muntunfo ube Jimmy sanu a me metra ma asema to me yan fami me di agro of course me gina before na area of course nyame Sabroni nkasa welcome to the I say no kura have free before no kura omo ye dirty omo ye finka fin omo ni omo hu ni kura no I have a chain East Legon I have a chain Asoman Estate I have a chain Trasaku I have a chain Hilltop I have a chain a West Legon I have a chain be bia nwuramu so nyansa na me ka kire nti before no kura area kura na high beautiful than nwuramu baby esika almost say esika for Ghana esika for ten baby and so that means so baby before no of course omai have you ha nwura ma akoma akodede da because before na tie nti omai have you still that means so cars ne gua no I say cars o ma to up and somehow o ma to up and somehow omunya obi kura pebi kura de acha no na no me na mo obi se o ne ka no mpe o de chami na me se no me kura me waka bebrebe me pebi ko me so me pebi de acha no of course that kroma na cars ne doors ne ansan ye adwuma nyame Sabroni en ka say straight up NTMP before no sorry NDC before no munipa ka me ansan hwana wa Jimmy no munene muntunefo no afofo na mfa me from what be from me a metro aba from because me wiase nyina Àngry Young Don that's the power that I carry so I just say bawo no carry power bia ndwani Jimmy na de te this Washington ho tija Jimmy no me Jimmy biam because we be Jimmy biam na be bomi din biam na me so a mebubuo ena maka twen si New York because me nkura no maka jem say usi New York bibi beto nti me bo kokko opa nkwan si New York kadisi wo ka Washington wo ama New York biem wa ma New York biem a hwenyawo ewo wiase wote Washington wa betima tena akopim so bewu esai wa na akọ Jimmy na me nkwan si usi New York o mo de o madwena sayo kwasia emre bia me ba America foforo me ba America fro me ba shi Muslims fo akwasia bi we Jimmy so wako hu me wo ba bi na me tonton hwan last 2 years wako hu mo ba bi sam tonton am ko bisa za akwa no de me nkura no ko me de ye no ko mo ya ku no ko go and ask enti me da me sraw e me Jimmy biem awo media no so e me yese o ena obi twe camera sin anim enam te say dog. Are you stupid? Ghana for me show how America. I'm showing them how America is. America is beautiful. America is sweet. Obi amra bi krom ha that's been sisia a form be neat and nice. And I'm sure that doesn't mean a dog. Are you stupid? NDC for nipa bina efeno Kevin Taylor no. I say omu video no come send him say my you. Yes, also the me back Ghana. Yes, I say me tempting me dim kwati asema me Jimmy or the member Ghana. Na yeah what's it blog New York bloggers. I'm not a blogger, man. Okay, let me explain it Roberto. What's yeah blogger in New York. By the way, me a blogger. Enti no or the ever back Ghana see boni di on platforms. So na me try say one me modi on platforms. So nyansa na me catch on. Wono Ghana enipa munim wo Ghana aye 100% wo 10% pen animo obi animu wi ase so na mche no te wo say including say me mebo odi on platform no so kura no e ma biggest fame ama omo munim nso abenimu enti it's like unyo bia wi ase unyo bia ma me so na mche no enti wo ba trete me say anu ase Udi agomro baba meme no listen ebroni ba na hwam you wono ya so te Washington DC broni ba na hwew kitchen kura na ya so da ya so da kitchen ya so da ndi oye ni video ni wi ana na yere no na hwe ne sa ya se na yere na hwe no na yere na hwe kwasia ya se ko mote oni adwuma bi ayo wa Jimmy ko ya fe kwadonto abua makna ma ba Jimmy fo me de odo asamba me so ba funu mema na funu asia Jimmy video nka ma hwa nyu eze wo so wo de mbaba gan abua kana ma ite sawo wo de nya Jimmy no asia mfi wate junkie boy asia Jimmy fo kan wate wan Kevin Taylor Jimmy fo no asia to enipa mu abua se kura nya opportunity abra obi ti Ghana ho bre pa abro kira makra enipa mu abu ase kura nya opportunity abra obi ti Ghana ho bre pa abro kira makra John Mahama ensi Hajj village no wa betima bie wanu village no wa betima bie wanu akaza asem no eye ba be kun Jimmy fo say timi bie na no kase wa wo be bie wanu akase Mahama han wansi Hajj village no ana nkramofo no hana ya anya hwe amom no ya ba be kun enipa da sani timi bie na no etrati nipa Ghana si ya ba be kun you live in America si ya ba be kun you live in America and you promote violence in Ghana what in America etrati obi wa Ghana si ba be kun are you killing me you know what called a kun do you
Obitan kyerɛ wadwene ama me comment section. Penyah Block Media.